How to use InShot app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use InShot app. First thing, as you can see right here, this is the home page. Right here you have three options. You can edit a photo or make a collage from photos, or you can create and edit a video. Click on video and now you can upload the new video, or if you have a draft like me, I have this draft. I'm gonna show you here. Now after you click on the video that you want to edit, it will take you to this page. Right here on this bar, as you can see, you will find many options. You can add music from here, you can add a sticker on video, you can add text, you can add a filter, you can pre-cut the video, you can trim, cut, split. You have two options. You can delete the video or split. You can change the background color, as you can see, and also you can change the speed of the video from here. You can crop it and many other features from here. And yeah, after you finish editing your video, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on this save option and choose your resolution from here. 4K if you want a higher resolution. You can change the frame rate, you can change, for example, 25, and click save from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.